so we're opening up Ryan's World egg. Sebastian loves Ryan, huh? Who's this?
Ryan.
Ryan. So as you can see, he's really wanting to open it. Let's go ahead and open it.
Okay.
It looks like here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toys in here. So that's a lot. And we get to, it might be one of these sets here. So we're going to open it, huh? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let's see. We need to preserve this one at least so we get to know which one it is, right?
It's Bastyn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, hold on. Ugh. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. So, Sebastian, open it. Oh, no, it's stuck. Wow! So it comes in 4 layers. We get a tattoo. And then we have 2 tattoos. Yeah, and then we get either one of these Ryan figures. So that was in the middle compartment. And then we have a mystery toy here. That's in the bottom compartment. Or the top compartment. And then the bottom, what do we have? Putty! And we get blue putty, and that was on the bottom compartment. Okay, let's open. So let's see which Ryan we have. What Ryan do we have? Let's see. Uh-oh. I'm going to have some opening this. Hold on. Yep. Whoa, it flew! Whoa! We got, let's see, what kind of Ryan did we get?
Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan. What kind of Ryan is that? Let's see. Let me see. So that Ryan's actually not listed on this one. It looks like it's a racing Ryan. Oh, it is. It's a racer Ryan. So it's this one right here. What a coincidence. Because Austin races. Sebastian loves cars. Then we're going to open up the second mystery. Let's see what this is. Hold on, let me see. Sebastian's so happy. He loves watching Ryan. It's a ball! And then he also has blue putty. It's really cool. So yeah, that's the Ryan toy collection and these mystery eggs. These were, I think, $9, which is worth it. Sebastian loves it, so we're gonna try to find more of these. At Walmart, they kind of sold out. There was like 5 left of these eggs, so yeah. Who's this, Sebastian? Who's this?
Ryan.